together.
What you do in the elevator? You dance. What's that tradition? Dance, bam, 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 bam.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And in the dark, with a flashlight, I'm gonna look at my dog's eyes, which is creepy. She has two different colored eyes. And I'm scared of their eyes. Have to feed my dogs. Don't you like that? Watch that. Okay, that is actually terrifying. Okay, I may not make this video. I'll be right back. Guys, let's do this again. I'm gonna be extremely scared. And first, let's keep my flashlight down, since I'm scared of the dark. And her eyes. Look at her eyes. See one of them is red? Here, show me your eyes. Say hi. Oh my gosh, this is that creepy guy. Okay. Poof. But for me, they're white, so lucky me, I don't see his creepy. Hey, how's it going? Do you like your creepy guy? Whoa. Sorry, puppy. Let me feed you food. Okay, this is extremely creepy, guys. I'm gonna... Oh wait, I forgot. I have to put them in their cages so they don't run off in the middle of the night. Let's go. Okay. You have to be a little brave. Guess what? Get that in the morning. Okay, that's also creepy. A truck. Come here, puppies. Let's close the cage so I can unhook your chain. Oh my gosh. Okay, then, puppies, I'm so sorry. Watch, guys, I'm gonna go out. Slowly. Gonna eat ya! Creepy, guys. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Have a good rest of whatever day. It's night. Have a good rest of the day.